This video will highlight the Smart Apply GPS Spreader Add-on Kit brought to you by Smart Guided Systems. The Smart Apply Spreader Add-on Kit adapts to many brands or models of spreaders. With the Spreader Add-on Kit, driving guidelines can be created in any desired direction or angle within a boundary, aiding the operator while spreading, as entering or exiting a boundary. The distance from the boundary is shown, and the system will identify the operator with a loud beep, when to engage and disengage the spreader. As material is spread, the Google Map overlay is painted, showing the operator where material was spread. The Smart Apply GPS Spreader Add-on Kit uses a standard Android 10-inch tablet, the Smart Apply Spreader app, and can be installed in 2 or 3 hours. And like all our systems, you can use existing boundaries previously created with our other systems. The Smart Guided Systems Auto Steer system utilizes TerraStar Pro GPS satellite technology, allowing it to work anywhere in the world with year-over-year repeatability of any boundary driven once and saved. The Smart Apply Spreader Add-on Kit also provides coverage maps of areas treated and application reports of each completed work order, allowing for easy government reporting. The Smart Apply Spreader Add-on Kit also allows for documenting coverage areas outside boundaries, giving supervisors validation of areas treated, amount of material spread, and date and time of treatment. For more information on the Smart Apply Spreader Add-on Kit, visit smartguided.com or call sales at 317-222-4152.